Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here from Market Respect. Welcome to another video. This week's first regarding the majors. We'll start with the euro dollar and the usual schedule, then the pound dollar, the dollar Canadian, the dollar Swissy and the Aussie. I haven't made a second video last week because I wanted to see, I wanted you to see how the market will unfold, and I wanted to keep the same analysis I had on my screen to show you where I was right, where I was wrong. So let's start with the euro dollar. On the weekly time scale, now we have seen that the market pushed so that the upside, we have talked about it already, so it pushed to the upside and make a really nice pullback to the downside. Now this was what I expected and what I have told you last video, if you remember, that I'm expecting a pullback around 116.30 level. That's why I didn't enter into this position, because I didn't want to short on a bull market, but the correction took place, so the things are here now standing as you can see that on the daily time frame we have broken this upper trend line, and that we have been on the when we look at the smaller time frame. So when we look at the Fib on a smaller time frame, from last high to low, so the market came to 78.60, which was also the trend line on the daily, and there was a good entry point for short. The market stayed here for about 5-6 candles, so let's say 24 hours, one day, and then collapsed to the downside. Where did the market stop? To the second target of Fibonacci extension, or 618, and this is where the market reversed. As I said, if you are following the lower time frames and watching the pairs, watching the moves on the lower time frames, you should and you could scale in on the correction, and there was a good opportunity to make a profit out of this position, because this was really the trade with highest risk to reward. So with having this 78.60 respected numerous times, as well as the trend line on daily broken and retested, so this was really something that could be explored, but nevertheless, so this is this move down, then up, and then to the target down. Okay, I told you I'm not trading the euro dollar and the pound dollar still, because the picture is not clear to me. Is seems so also when you check the weekly. Now we have broken it, we break a little bit of below just the weekly trend line, and it seems now like we are going to go up again. But before we are certain that the correction is over, we have to take a look how this position will unfold on a lower time frame. So for now the euro dollar looks bullish. This is something that we could also check out if you were following the move. So this smaller time frame, on a smaller time frame, this downtrend line was broken. The 180 of Fibonacci extension was as the target was met. So this is where the market turned. This was some sort of two confirmations, and the market went to the upside. Now it sits around round number 117. I have to take a look how the market will develop. This week we have the non-farm payroll also, so I'm not sure, really. I'm not sure what to trade here, as I'm trading on a longer term now. On a longer term, of course, I'm consider that the euro dollar will go to the upside, but I'm not sure whether this correction is over or not. So this is the case. I will not go short, which is against the main trend and the trend on a bigger time scale, and that's why I'm not entering in the trades here, but also not sure that correction is over, even though these targets were met. But this is only the 4-hour chart, so if you look at the daily, there is still space to make a larger pullback to the downside and then to continue up. So for now the euro dollar looks bearish, but as I said, since the bigger picture is bullish, I'm out of the trade. I had some other trades which I hope you followed. If you are following me, you saw it. You can watch the playlist day by day or analysis by analysis and see how I was thinking and what the market brought me. So this one is now unclear to me, and I'm not here into position, but I've done a good job on the dollar Canadian and dollar Swissy and the Aussie, but Aussie not so much. Okay, that's all regarding the dollar, euro dollar. Now I will go in the next video on the pound dollar. Stay tuned, look my other videos, subscribe if you like this content. I'm here really not filming much, but this is something where I'm teaching you how to be patient. So watch. I drew this last Tuesday, so it's been a week now. So you have to take time to things to unfold. You know, it took a week to see this move to the downside. Sometimes you have to be really patient, because some of the positions can take a week or more. Picture to be more clear can take some time also, as well as when you are in a trade. So don't look how to jump out at the first wave which is not in your favor, and stick to your plan, stick to your profit targets. Of course, protect your capital and move your stop to break even. Partially exit on certain levels to bank some pips, but always leave some open position, because you never know how the market can react and how can pull a larger swing and make you more money. Okay, that's all folks for the euro dollar. Stay tuned, wish you all the best, and take care.